Let's talk about money. For so many of you, that word brings up feelings of fear, stress, and confusion. You work hard, you pay your bills, but at the end of the month, you wonder where it all went. You dream of a life with less worry and more freedom, but that dream feels so far away. You think building wealth is only for the experts, the people on Wall Street, or those who got lucky? I'm here to tell you that is a flat-out lie. Wealth is not a secret club with a velvet rope. It is a path that anyone, and I mean anyone, can choose to walk. It starts with knowledge, and it starts with a plan. There are countless books out there promising to make you rich overnight. They are full of complicated charts and jargon that would make your head spin. But every so often, a book comes along that cuts through all that noise. The 48 Laws of Money by Victor O.Carl is one of those rare gems. This isn't a textbook for finance majors. This is a guide for real people living in the real world. It's for the single mother trying to save for her child's future. It's for the young graduate buried in student debt. It's for the small business owner who pours their heart and soul into their work. This book understands you. The core idea is refreshingly simple. Building wealth isn't about some magic formula or risky investment scheme. It's about understanding a set of timeless, fundamental principles or laws that govern how money works. These aren't suggestions, they are laws. Just like the law of gravity, they work whether you believe in them or not. The book lays out 48 of these powerful truths in a way that is direct and easy to understand. It gives you practical steps, things you can start doing today, to take back control of your financial destiny. It is your personal roadmap to financial freedom, one law at a time. What I love most about this approach is that it empowers you. It puts you back in the driver's seat of your own life. You stop being a passive spectator, watching your money disappear, and you become an active participant in building your own security. The book doesn't just tell you what to do, it explains the why behind each law. It changes the way you look at every dollar you earn, save, and spend. It transforms money from a source of anxiety into a tool for building the life you truly want to live. And that, my friends, is a powerful, life-altering shift. Out of the 48 powerful laws in this book, there are 3 that I want you to really take to heart. These are the cornerstones of a strong financial house. The first, and most important, is this: protect your capital at all costs. Think of the money you have saved as your army. You would never send your entire army into a battle you might lose, would you? Of course not. Your capital is your power. It is your security. Before you even think about making more money, you must become a fierce protector of the money you already have. This means avoiding foolish risks, steering clear of get-rich-quick schemes, and never investing in something you do not fully understand. The second law that will change your life is to create multiple streams of income. Please hear me on this. Relying on a single paycheck from one job is one of the riskiest financial positions you can be in. It is like standing on a one-legged stool. It is unstable and can be kicked out from under you at any moment. A job can be lost. A business can have a slow month. The book brilliantly explains how to start building other streams. This doesn't mean you have to go out and get 3 part-time jobs. It could be starting a small side business, investing in dividend-paying stocks, renting out a spare room, or turning a hobby into a source of cash. Each new stream is another leg for your stool, making you more stable and secure. The third law is to act fast on opportunities. The world does not wait for you to make up your mind. Opportunity is a shy visitor. It knocks softly and does not linger. When a genuine chance to improve your financial situation presents itself, you must have the courage and the wisdom to act decisively. This is not about being impulsive. This is about being prepared. By following the other laws, protecting your capital and building your knowledge, you will be able to recognize a good opportunity when you see one. Whether it is a great deal on an investment property or a chance to start a new venture, those who hesitate are often left behind. These 3 laws work together in perfect harmony. You protect your base of capital so that you have the resources to invest in new income streams. And by creating those multiple streams, you build a stronger financial foundation that allows you to confidently seize opportunities when they arise. This isn't just theory, this is a practical, powerful strategy. It applies to the business owner looking to expand, the employee wanting to build a safety net, and the beginner who is just starting to save their first $1,000. Master these 3, and you will be well on your way. I have been a financial advisor for a long time. And honestly, I can tell you the honest-to-God truth. The biggest obstacle standing between you and wealth is not the size of your paycheck, it's not the economy, it's not your boss. It's the 6 inches between your own 2 ears. It is your mindset. It's your attitude and your beliefs about money. If you believe you will always be in debt, you will be. If you believe you are not good with money, you won't be. Wealth is a result of your daily habits and the thoughts that drive those habits. It's really an inside job first. The 48 Laws of Money is so powerful because it is not just a book about numbers, it's a book about psychology. It forces you to look in the mirror and confront your own behaviors. Are you an emotional spender? Do you avoid looking at your bank statements out of fear? Do you tell yourself little lies like "I'll start saving next month"? The book gently but firmly challenges these self-defeating patterns. It helps you understand that your financial reality today is a direct result of the thousands of small choices you've made up until this point. That can be a tough pill to swallow, but it's also incredibly empowering because if your choices created your current situation, then new choices can create a new one. The book teaches you to shift from a mindset of scarcity to one of abundance. A scarcity mindset focuses on what you lack. It leads to fear, hoarding, and a resistance to taking calculated risks. An abundance mindset, on the other hand, focuses on opportunities. It understands that money is a tool and that value can be created. It replaces fear with confidence and inaction with purpose. This shift is the most important financial transaction you will ever make, and it doesn't cost a single dime. Think about it. Two people can be given the exact same amount of money. The person with a poor money mindset will likely spend it quickly, with little to show for it in a year. The person with a wealth mindset will find a way to use that money to create more money. They'll save it, invest it, or use it to start a business. The money was the same, the mindset was the difference. This book is your personal trainer for developing that wealth mindset. It rebuilds your relationship with money from the ground up, turning it from an adversary into a powerful ally on your journey. So, who is this book for? Is it just for people who want to be millionaires? Absolutely not. This book is for the person who's tired of living paycheck to paycheck, constantly stressed about bills. It's for the young couple who wants to buy their first home, but has no idea where to start saving. It's for the aspiring entrepreneur who has a brilliant idea, but is afraid to take the financial leap. It's for anyone, at any age and any income level, who wants to stop feeling helpless and start feeling hopeful about their money. It's for you. Reading this book is not a passive experience, it's a call to action. With every chapter, you'll find yourself questioning your own habits. Why do I spend money on things that don't bring me lasting value? Am I taking my financial future seriously enough? What is one thing I can do differently, starting right now? It will make you uncomfortable, and that's actually a good thing. Growth never happens in your comfort zone. The book acts as a catalyst, sparking a period of deep self-reflection that is necessary for any real lasting change to occur. It's the beginning of a conversation with yourself about the life you want. My strongest advice to you is this: stop waiting for the right time to get your finances in order. The right time is now, today. Your future self is begging you to take this seriously. Get the 48 Laws of Money. Read it not as a novel, but as a personal workbook. Keep a notebook beside you. Write down the laws that resonate with you most. Make a list of 3 small changes you can implement this week, based on what you've learned. Do not just read the words, absorb the wisdom and put it into practice. Your journey to financial freedom is exactly that, a journey. It will not happen overnight. But it begins with a single, decisive step. Let this book be that step. Let it be the moment you draw a line in the sand and declare, I am in control of my money. My money is not in control of me. You have the power to change your life. You are smarter than you think and stronger than you know. You just need the right guide. Take this advice, take control, and start building the secure, wealthy, and dignified life that you not only want, but that you absolutely deserve.
Thanks so much for watching.